Hey guys! Today I have a really quick thing to share with you. Now this is some mail that I got. I'm so excited. Okay, this is a kit subscription. So as you can see, it's from, where is it? There we go, Kitaholic Kits, which is an Australian kit company. Before we start, I will say that I purchased this with my own money. These are all my own thoughts. Okay. All I've done is just crossed out my name. I haven't looked into it, and I've just put a little slit on the side. So let's have a look. Oh, it's a box. Okay. Alright, let me just grab out this and we'll cut into this. How often do you guys get kit subscriptions? This company had, what was their old kits marked down, so I just sort of went a little bit crazy and bought a whole bunch of kits. I bought a few mixed media ones, their mixed media kit. I got a few of their Project Life kits and embellishment kits. So I'm going to use the Project Life kit as a kit and do a series of, using it up to its fullest potential, which I'm very, very excited about. But the other ones I'll probably just take apart and use, just for other purposes. So, are you ready? I don't know what I would. Okay. I still can't even see. It's just taking everything away from me. Maybe because I'm meant to open it this way. Okay. Take two. Take two. Now ready? Ooh, there's so much to choose from. Okay, okay, we'll grab them out first and keep them sort of together in the kits so that I'm able to use them. So I'll move this to the side. This one, I believe, went with this from memory. I will link to their website down below for you guys to check it out, but we'll start with this one here. Now, this was the Project Life kit. I believe it was from a few years ago, so they've all come in these 12 by 12 bags, and we'll see what we get. I'm so excited. Okay. Alright, so we've got a few cards here. Just going through them, they just look like some bits of card that have been cut down, which are blank. That's interesting. There, and then there. So there's the 6x4 cards, and then we've got these ones here, which is a card apart sheet from Simple Stories. So there's the title. Oh my gosh, focus. Focus. Oh, to bring it up to it, it's not focusing by itself. Okay, so it's Beautiful by Simple Stories, and this has gold foiling, which that is actually quite gorgeous. Now, one thing I will say is it's a bit bent. Australia Post, thank you very much. Then there's also this one here, which is also from the Beautiful collection, as you can see, and these are some 6x4, again gold foiled. And then there's also the 12x12 sticker sheet, which I have had this before, so I know that I can use it because I do think it is stunning. And more tiny words. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's those. We've also got this January charm that unfortunately is broken. I'll have to work some magic on that, but this is from Cool Creations, and this appears to be acrylic. So we'll use that as best as we can. And then we've got these stickers from 7 Paper. They're just some circles, so they'll be nice to use. And then this little bag of ephemera. So we'll pop this back in the little baggie. Then we have this right here. which is actually really good because I do need some sort of project-like-ish embellishments. I will say this, anyone from Kitaholics that's watching, I would love to be on your design team. A little shameless self-plug there. Alright, so move those off to the side. We'll just have a quick look at all these die cuts. So it appears like these are hand cut, which is awesome. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, cool. So we've got heaps of labels, which I love, and a whole bunch of die cuts. Ah! I don't know what to do with everything, but these are going to be great. I think I will use this. So there is the January Project Life Kit. I'm very excited to use this. So we'll move that on to the side and we'll get to the next one. The next one is this one. Now this, from memory, is a this is a mixed media kit. So these are probably the ones that are more likely to pull apart. So it comes with some really thick pieces of craft. That's awesome. And we've also got some Kaiser Craft smooth white 12x12 paper. They'll be very useful for me. We've got these words that say dream. Again, these are by Cobalt Creations like before. So we've got the word dream, beautiful, amazing, and getaway. So they're really cool. Then in this little baggie, we've got some paint. So we've got pretty pink Kaiser Craft. It looks like acrylic paint, and it says it's suitable for wood, paper, plastic, canvas, and primed metal. So there is that colour. That one looks gorgeous. And then we've got cool grey. Again, exactly the same. And then we have tropical water. It's an interesting colour. And then this one here, I didn't see it when I ordered it. I thought it was white. But it's gloss varnish. I didn't know they made that, which I'm assuming is just going to make it look glossy. So I'm excited to try that one out. And then also what came in this pack, I'm going to keep this. Also what came in this pack is some, these look like Dina Wakley. They're called, they say they're mixed media stencils or mini stencils. Ooh, okay. So it comes with this mini stencil. So if you can see that. Awesome. Love it. Cool. And then these also you could use just as cards, really. They're awesome. So what does it say on the middle? Kate Mixed Media. So they're not Dina Wakley. They're Kate Mixed Media. And then it just has some care instructions in there that I will obviously pay attention to the care instructions, because I would never do bad things and not pay attention to care instructions. Never. Okay, so that's a mixed media kit. Now I believe that this is a embellishment kit. So we've got these chipboard stars from 7 Paper. Very awesome. This is another kit. Got these rhinestones by Kaiser Craft. Always good to have on board. Some more wood veneer words. I love myself some wood veneer. So there's a whole bunch there. You can pause it if you want to see what it says. Then I've got these Amy Tan Happier. They're kind of, I don't know what they are. They're alpha stickers, obviously. They're transparent letter stickers. They're just a bit, they look fuzzy to my eyes. It could just be because I'm tired. Anyway, some memory planner monthly stamps. I'm very excited to use those. So that's the font that they come in. They're going to be fun to use. This is a sticker book that says Labels, gift planner, DIY decorations. Not even sure who this is by. Guys, this is what it looks like. And then, oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. I'm excited now. I wanted it for, like, not planner labels. Ooh. Tiny words. So this looks like it's for planner. Ooh, heaps of tiny words. Okay. I'm excited now. That was worth it. That was very worth it. I think this pack here, so for these embellishments right here, was like $7. Worth it. The next one, which is this one. Pull it out. This is another one of those embellishment packs. Put off to the side. So here we have some Dear Lizzie colouring in washi tape. That's going to be fun to try. Some American Crafts. It says ribbon, but it's clearly twine. Come on, guys. Get it right. It's twine. Some Dear Lizzie adhesive tags. Which that's what they look like on the side, but I'll take them out for you. Because you're dying to know what they look like. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay. Alright, so they come in little packs. Oh, they're copper foiled. Okay, that's awesome. So there we go. Little breeze through of those for you. They're going to be fun to use. I feel like I've just got a whole new stash. If you're starting out in scrapbooking, this is a fantastic idea to do. Some Dear Lizzie wood veneer shapes. That's what they look like on the back. Love my wood veneer. Love my wood veneer. And the pink paisley Oh My Heart sticker sheet. So we've got some copper foiled stickers. Some washi strips. That's the texture like washi, so that's awesome. Some stickers there. These are going to be good for Project Life. And then some alphas at the back. There we go. Another embellishment kit down. They're going to be fun to use. And this is the next thing that I'm actually really excited about because I've never had anything like this before. So this is the last mixed media kit, and this was I think $10 or something. So this is the Nouveau Embellishment Mousse, and this is in, what colour are these? It doesn't actually say the colour of them, unfortunately, but this is a stunning pink. I will take the top off for you to show you. Just a stunning, ooh, look at that, so pretty. A stunning metallic pink. Now, from what I've seen online, you can mix these with water, and you can mix them just straight into your stencils. But look at that, that is stunning. And I'll tell you right now, this is going to get used in a week and a half, because look at it, I'm going to need to buy more of these. I want to get this in gold. That will be beautiful. And then I also got this really nice teal colour, which it looks like it's a bit oily. So I'm not sure why it's oily. It could just be because it's been sitting for a while not being used. I'm just trying to get the top off of this. Doesn't appear to be working for me. I would suggest, if you're from Australia and you want to, even if you're not from Australia, I think they ship internationally. Even if you're not, go there and place this order, because they had some fantastic stuff for the most cheapest price. So everything here that I've got cost me $50, and then it was $12 for shipping, so $50 for all of this. Look at that color. This is like a gorgeous tealy color. I'm so excited. And then with that came these Kaiser Craft just clear spray bottles, but these are really useful for water, on top of many other things that you can use those for. So they're just a good handy thing to have on board. So let me move all of this over, spread it all out. So this was my haul. It doesn't even all fit into the frame. This was my haul. I'm so excited to use all this stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for me to use this, especially this. This is going to be the next layout, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've had a wonderful time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!